All right, guys. So for this type of for this job, we're gonna use this spark plugs, and this is the part number just in case you need it, right there. So let's start it. All right, guys. So I'm gonna share the way to remove this spark plugs on this 6-cylinder. It's a 04 Hyundai Sonata. It's a 2.7 engine, 6-cylinder. So on this one, I really don't have to show much, I think, because they the easy way. So you just have to pop these things out, you know. You just pull them out, and then get your spark plugs out on this one. So I don't think that I have to show too much. Okay, that's one. Okay, so to get it out, you just squeeze your spark plug wire back again into, and then just get them out. Okay, so I got this one out. So main thing for this video is gonna be on this side right here. We got a 12 right here, right here. It's a 12. So I'm gonna get that one out. Okay, I'm gonna get that one out, and I'll drop it. I'll pick them up in a minute. It should be down there. I'll get it with the magnet. Okay, the other one, it's gonna be let me see if I can get that one and show you where exactly that. I have to get on that thing. Let me go. So this one, let me see if you can go through here. But it's gonna be right here. See my finger? If you follow this thing right here, it's gonna be right here. It's right there. So I'm gonna see if I can get the camera right here, and you can see that. All right, guys. So I got it out. The other 12. Now I'm going to move my phone to over here, and then I already released this connector right here because they too tight. So what I did, I just pressed this one in and push it down. The same thing on the throw position sensor right here. Press this down and then push it out. I released this vacuum hose right here, and I'm gonna release this one now. This hose right here. Let me see if I can get that one. I'm gonna release that one right there. Let me get this one out. Okay, so okay, get that one out. Now I'm gonna remove the tins right here. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this tin right here. That's one. That's two right there. So we can release this bracket. I don't want to pull it out because it came broke. Make him broke right there. The other bolt went through here. Okay, I got that. Now I'm going to remove the I'm gonna try to lift this one right here and see if it works. Now let me turn this way, and I already released the this clips right here, and then two back there, and then this box is loose. Probably I left it for now in there. You know, I want to see what exactly, or we can just get it loose right there. We can get it out. You know, I don't want to touch this thing because it's kind of weird. You know, I don't want to. I believe this thing, it can break down right away, so I don't want to move because it looks like too old, you know, and then I don't want to break it or something because I want to. It looks too old for me, this thing. a little bit more. Okay, yeah, it's loose now. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it like that for now. I'm gonna leave it right there. Let me zoom out this thing. Okay, right there. Now, I'm gonna release the hose right here on top. This one. Right there. Let me see if you can catch this one right here. Okay, right there. Got that right there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this. There is 2 tens, one right here and the other one right here, to get this cables, to get this bracket loose, to get it out. Let's see. Okay, there's one right here. There's another one. Okay, right there. It's not getting it, I think. Let me see. All right. Okay, let me see if I can get it just by hand. Because that thing is still tight right there. Let me see if I can get that. Okay. Okay, I got that out. Got the other one out. So it's 2. I got the bracket loose. And I'm gonna try to flip the whole thing, but before that we have to go back over here and we're going to okay, so now I'm gonna get this the one on top. I'm gonna start from here with the 12. This one right there. That's 2 right there. The 10 right here on top. I have to get it out too. Let me see. I'm gonna remove this one right here with the 10. The other one's right here. Now we're gonna get them. Keep going on the 12. So I'm gonna do the other one over here. Okay. Get that one. Another one. Okay, I got another one. I'm gonna do this one here. Okay, then loose. Okay, put that right there. It should be loose now. Yeah, it's loose now. I'm just gonna get this bolt out, just to be sure. Let me see. We got everything out. It should go. There is another one right here. There is another bracket somewhere. Yeah, I got another bracket right here. I got another bolt right here behind. It just right here. It's right there. I'm gonna see if I can catch on camera. Let me see. Okay, yeah. It should be here. And this one right here with the 12 should come off. Let's see if I can catch it. Right here. Okay, I got it there. Okay, I got the other one. And they should be loose now here. Let me get it out. Okay. What I'm gonna do is let me see if I can catch I can get that on camera. I'm gonna move my camera over here and I'm gonna try to see if I can just flip this one to a side, you know. And I believe that we may have to remove 110 right here. Hold on. All right, so I got the 10. I got this 10 loose, and I'm just gonna lift it up, and I don't wanna get those hoses back there. As you can see, those hoses right there, because they the coolant. So I'm just gonna leave them right there, and I'm gonna use a hammer right here to catch my my intake right on. I'm gonna lose the wires, and what I recommend is to be on the safe side. Don't mix the wires, guys. Just you know, so you don't mix them. How it goes, 1, 2, 3, and whatever. And then I recommend to use a rack or some right on top of this thing, just in case you don't drop nothing in there. Now we can get access to get the spark plugs out. That's one right there. There's two right there. There's three right there. You just can get them the same way like the others with the let's see, with the wire. Okay, so we got them out. We got all three out. Now we just have to install the new ones back in there, and whenever you put the intake back on, it's just gonna be only 12 pounds on each one, you know, bolts and nuts, 12 pounds only, and then put all the stuff back together, you know, and that should be make it. I mean, if you see it's not that hard, it just take your time, you know. Use your 5/8 with the short extension, you know, on the back, on the same thing on the front, you know. That's the easy ones. And we just using only 3 sockets, so you know, if you got the air filter dirty, just get another one, and that should be it, guys. So, you know, I hope that video helps and, you know, save you time and money. Remember, don't waste your time because it's too short. All right, so see you next time. Peace.